Hey everyone, I'm going to show you just one more time how to update your to-read list and to maybe rate some more books. So you're going to go to your Goodreads account. Here's my home page. I'm going to type in a book that I know that I have read, which is Orbiting Jupiter. I'm going to go ahead right here and I'm going to change this to I have read this book. I'm going to go ahead and give it a rating. I thought it was pretty amazing. I can go ahead and type a review here, and I can set when I started it and when I finished it. I would encourage you to do that as well, just so that you can keep track of how quickly you're finishing books. But I can just also save it and I can come back to that later. If I go here to my books, I can see a whole list of books that I have read. Here, I'm reading The Hate You Give right now, so I'm going to change it for my to read. I hit edit and I'm going to mark currently reading. I just bought this book and I'm going to read this for my adult book club soon. So now I'm going to put edit and I'm going to put currently reading. These are still on my to read list. Also here it says, if I hit edit, I can add a new shelf. So if you want to just add a shelf that just says finished, or I don't know, you can be creative here, you can do that. I do want you to think back to see how many books you've already read this year and make sure they all say read, because soon in my second round of conferences I'm going to be having you show me your Goodreads account, so you want to make sure that it's up to date. Also, if I go home, I can update my book challenge here. So if I started out with 4 books here, but I've already read 4 and I want to up it, I could change it to 5. So you might have to take out your little sheet that we used to create our goal and check on that to see if you're achieving it or not. Also use this searching bar to search up books that you've read if you want to rate some more, so that Goodreads can give you recommendations. I do want you to try to get at least 5 books on your to-read list, so that when you go to the library, you know exactly what you can be looking for. Okay? I hope this helps you. Once you get 5 books on your to-read list, then you can be done with this step in the day.